Hello mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel. This is Talk to Julia. Today's lesson, let's talk about a new phrase, couldn't agree more. Instead of saying, I completely agree, I totally agree, why not say, I couldn't agree more? Use this phrase, couldn't agree more, if you're saying that you completely agree with someone's opinion. For example, she always uploads informative videos in YouTube. I couldn't agree more. I like her videos. Another example, being a mom is the toughest job ever. I couldn't agree more. Last example, to have real friends, you must be real as well. What do you think? That would be all for today, and see you on my next video.